Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, today we are going to do World Around Us book, that is Let's Grow Plant. Okay, so we will learn how the plant grows. Okay, so let's see. See, look at this first picture. You all know that we take a pot and then we put some soil, and first of all, what we put in the soil? We put seeds, right? So like your World Around Us book is of popcorn. So popcorn sows some seeds in the soil. He gives it enough water, air and sunlight. Okay. So here, first of all, to grow the plant, we put some soil. And can you see this green? It is a seed. Okay, so we have to put seed. Whatever we want to grow, for that we have to put some seeds in it. Okay, and every day we have to give water, air and sunlight. We have to keep that pot outside. If we will keep in the house, then it will not grow without sunlight. Okay, so like how we eat the food, we drink water, that way plant eats sunlight. Okay, and plant needs water also to drink, and plant needs air also to breathe. Okay, then the next step is, if we will keep giving water, sunlight and fresh air, then slowly and gradually root will come out and shoot will come out. Okay, see, roots are under the soil. Can you see this green? These are called roots, and if we will keep giving water, then slowly this plant starts growing. So shoot will come out. This is called root and this is called shoot. Okay. And then if we will keep giving water, sunlight and air, that is must. We have to do that every day. Then slowly the shoots grows. Can you see this? It grows upwards also and it grows under the soil also, right? Roots also becomes very strong, and then slowly and gradually this steam comes. Okay, and the small leaves come. Can you see these leaves? Right. So this way it starts growing, and then these leaves, they start growing more and more. Means earlier there were small leaves. Now can you see, if we will keep giving water, sunlight and air, here we have big leaves, and here can you see these small flowers? Right, and the roots also. Can you see? Roots also grows, but roots are under the soil. Okay, and plant comes out. Then the fifth stage is, after few days you will see that your plant has grown. Okay, all the leaves, and it has small fruit also and the flowers also. Okay, so these are the 5 steps, okay, which we need to follow when we grow the plant, and this is how slowly and gradually the plant grows. Okay. So first of all, what comes? When we put the seed, if we keep giving water, sunlight and air, root comes out and shoot comes out. And then what happens? Slowly, slowly the stem comes and small leaves and roots, they become more strong, right? And then slowly and gradually leaves becomes big and slowly this fruits comes and flower comes. Okay, so these are the 5 stages. Okay, so this is the way you can also do the exercise. We will also do this exercise in the online class. Okay, so till that time you understand the process, then ma'am will make you do this practically. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.